What is a case brief in the legal system? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle with many pieces. A case brief is like a small guide that helps you see the picture clearly. It breaks down a court decision into simple parts so everyone can understand the story behind it. A case brief is a short written summary of a court's decision. It highlights the main facts, the legal questions, and how the court reached its conclusion. Think of it as a quick reference that makes complex legal decisions easier to grasp. When lawyers or students look at a case, they use a case brief to find the important details fast. It starts with the case caption, which shows the names of the parties involved, the court that made the decision, and the year it was decided. Then, it summarizes the facts, what happened that led to the legal fight. These facts are chosen carefully because they matter most to the case. Next, the procedural history explains how the case moved through different courts before reaching the current one. It shows the path the case took and previous rulings. The issue part asks the main legal question the court needs to answer. This question guides the entire analysis. The rule of law is the legal principle or law the court applies to solve the issue. It might be a statute or a previous court decision called a precedent. The reasoning section explains how the court used that rule to analyze the facts. It shows the logic behind the decision, including how past decisions influence the outcome. Finally, the holding is the court's final answer, who won and what the legal result is. This part tells us the court's conclusion on the main issue. In courtrooms, case briefs are essential because they show how past decisions, or precedents, shape current rulings. They help judges, lawyers, and clerks quickly understand the core of a case. When lawyers prepare for a trial, they often create their own briefs to organize their arguments. Judges relying on briefs to review case law efficiently and make informed decisions. A case brief is more than just a summary. It is a tool that connects the facts, legal rules, and reasoning to the idea of case precedent. This connection helps keep the legal system consistent and predictable. It makes sure that similar cases are treated fairly and that the law develops steadily over time. So, in simple words, a case brief is a clear, organized summary of a court decision. It captures the key facts, legal questions, and reasons behind the ruling. It is a vital part of understanding how the legal system works and how courts use past decisions to guide future ones.